Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, turn on the lights. I gotta admit, these clippers right here, best purchase I've made in a long time, especially given the circumstances. All right, well, it's evening time now. The temperatures dropped a lot. I had to go get a jacket and put a hat on. It's breezy. It's still decent, but you know, it's a lot cooler than it was earlier today when I was out here grilling. And it might have been the grill was just so hot. I didn't notice any changes anyway, so there's that. What I'm doing this video on today, basically, it's just a lot of changes about to happen with the channel. There's a lot of good changes, so I just wanted to take a moment to really talk to you guys about that. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is spending more time putting out way more content than I've ever had before, so that's always going to be a good thing. It's going to start with, of course, this video being the last video of season 2 of the vlog, and then we're going to kick off season 3 with Tuesday's video, which will be every Tuesday moving forward. I'm going to do kind of the artist tip of the day, just kind of give you guys some hints and some secrets into some of the things that I do as an artist or the other artists do. And I think it could be fun. It could be, you know, something cool that everybody can learn from. On Wednesdays, we're going to do either product review or the Sketchbox challenge, just depending on, you know, where we are in the month. And then on Thursdays is just going to be my comics insight, or just some of my insight into comics, or even some of the tricks that I use for creating comics. And Fridays, just a basic drawing video, something like that. I'm going to take the weekends off, but still have something ready for Monday. Normally some sort of vlog that just talks about what I did on the weekend, I guess. Or it may even be a vlog where I take a lot of the things that I've done during the week outside of just the tips of the day or whatever my focus has been on, and just kind of put that together and then show you what my week was like as I work from home, like most of us do. It's important that we continue to listen to the experts and practice the social distancing, guys. I can't express that enough, that how important it is. And it's also important that we don't lose sight of, you know, the people that we care about. So make sure that you're checking in on your elderly family members. Make sure that anybody that you know that may have a medical condition, check in on them. You never know. It's a lot of stuff going on, and we just really got to spend a lot more time caring about each other than not caring about each other, right? That's pretty much this video. It's a pretty short video. I just wanted to kind of let you guys know what I had going on and what I'm got going on moving forward. So lots more content, a lot of work. It's still fluid, so you know, some things may change up a little bit as far as their focus, but what I am going to do is, at this point, we're going to continue to create at least 5 days of content moving forward. So that's the goal. 5 days of content. You guys are always going to see something. So I hope you guys like it, and I can't wait to get to work on it. You know the deal, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it that thumbs up. And if you're new here, hey, how you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You guys want to get in touch with me, always reach out to me at DKG72 at Instagram and Twitter. I'm also on my Facebook fan page, David Gordon 72. TikTok is David Gordon 72. And if you really like what I'm doing, maybe consider the Patreon. You know, DKG72 makes comics. Other than that, short vlog, short video. I just wanted to really talk to you guys real quick and have a little fun with the little segment before. But other than that, it's your boy, and I'm out. Peace.